Hello guys, today I'll be installing this dash cam here for my nephew. Let's see this. I'll put a link in the description where you can get this, so check in the description. It's a 4K TT 802 dash cam. It has the front dash cam here. Look pretty lightweight, and a USB-C connector here, and the vent on the bottom for dissipate heat, and the top mount the lens. You can take the lens out here, and the back, take off the lens cover seal. And on the side here, it has the flash drive. It came with 32 gig flash drive here. Recommend putting like at least 128 gig in here to get enough footage history, because usually when you're busy, something happen, the video override, so by the time you get to it, it's already override. It has a lock here for cleaning. This is the rear camera that we have to run all the way to the back and come out the trunk for the back camera view. This is the cable USB-C to power on the camera, and it has the extra USB-A here that you can plug other device to charge. It has the seal right here that you can remove and stick to your windshield, and the turn, you can turn this thing. So basically put it in like so and slide over. This is what we're working with, guys. It's a Toyota Corolla. I'm not sure what year it is. It's my nephew car. He just got this car for a couple months, so I'm gonna install the dash cam for him. So let's see what spot we're gonna put the dash cam properly. Somewhere here, but the wire is kind of long, so I just need to tuck the other wire down this way. Need to take this panel off. To pull this door panel off here, and then I can tuck the wire down this way to the bottom, and then run the power wire over to the center console. Just pop this up. That's pretty much it. Usually just some clips, and that just pop up right here. Just one push button right here, pull right here, and you can pop this off. So it's coming a little bit loose here. That's all you need. Peel off the tape here, and if you turn this over this side, it's gonna pull down the suction. So you turn it this way, it loosen the suction. Alright, let's go ahead and say put it way up here. Untie the power USB-C power cable. And what I would like to do with this is maybe wrapping around the center of the rear view mirror. It's gonna tuck the wire from the top here. The extra wire slack here, so my nephew, he can move the camera around to his favorite spot. There's another wire for the back camera. Now I undo the back camera. So the back camera you can plug in the back here. So that I'm just gonna unplug this. It's like a very small wire. That way you can fit through this to the back of your car. If you need to drill any hole to go to the back and outside by the license plate. So here we just need this small 2.5 millimeter audio video cable to connect to the camera up here. Plug in on the top here, and I'll run it through one loop here and then tuck it up to the top here. Just run both of the wire down the channel here, and I'm just gonna tuck this back in place as I go down. Pretty easy. Got the wire tucked down to the bottom here. Running the power cable to the other side. This behind this main wire. I'm gonna try to tuck the wire up along this way over to this side, and then you plug in the wire. Tuck this over here and come down to the back of the tire pressure reset. Just pull the wire, then I'll tuck it to this side right here, and come over this side and plug it in nice and neat. Now we just need to run this back camera, slip it in through here. Pull through. Put this cover back in. There's a 10 millimeter bolt right here that is missing. That's why this a little bit loose. So this one to the back here. Go inside the seat belt and tuck it up. Alright, got it in here. nicely. Now we can put this cover back in. Now flip this back seat down by pulling this here. Now I can flip this seat down, and there is a hinge right here. Probably gonna go back behind the hinge. I can pull the plug from this side up. The hinge is kind of sharp here, so you gotta push down one side and then pull on the other side, so you don't risk cutting the wire. So you hold your wire on the other side and pull. Want that metal bracket right here, hinge for the back seat, to cut into the wire. I can tuck it all the way down. Can run it along here and up to this channel. Just tuck that wire behind there and then go up here. Then we're gonna go up along the hinge here and clip the wire to the same clip right here. Keep that in place. And the clip up here is a little bit small, so we're gonna need to zip tie it. Basically tie this wire up here and then feeding the wire, and then gonna remove this panel. Basically this panel is holding on with this clip right here. You just pull it out. If you have the two clip on both sides, pull it out, it's easier. Now organizing the cable by zip tie it to the trunk release cable. So just fitting your hand behind the clip and pull it out. Here's my dad, give me a second set of eyes. Okay. Now we got this exposed, just gonna fit this through here. I'm gonna drill a hole right here to fit the wire out. A 10mm socket to remove these. Remove the keyhole as well in order to remove that back cover. And there's a clip in the middle here that you need to undo, and then it should come out. Got all the clip apart. Now I can pull this thing out. How it looks. And we need to drill a hole right here, 1/4 inch hole drill right here, so I can feed the camera wire in like so. Back in. Now I need to put this double side tape here and then mount this back up like this and drill the hole and mount it up. Alright, I got all the zip tie cut up and nice and neat, and it's installed. I put some what's that, sealant. Alex basically those baseball house baseball seal on the hole so the water doesn't come in. Now I put the panel back on to the trunk. Now you just push those plastic pin back in, easy peasy. This is how it looks installed. This is my nephew, Austin. So I put the extra slack wire right around here. So if you need to move the camera around, you can do that. He's moving to the spot that he liked. And then there's a screw over here. Once you got it in the right angle, you tighten that screw up here. But so far the rear camera angle is perfect. Okay, so this is the camera back view and front view. You can see the rear small window